Hello guys, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel Talented. So guys, today I will show you the cutting of circular palazzo. See, I have taken 3 measurements for this. First, I have taken the length. The length is 37 inches and the waist, i.e. the belt, is 42. The hip is 45. I will show you its cutting according to this measurement. I have only 2 meters of fabric. So today I am going to tell you how to cut a circular palazzo in 2 meters of fabric. I have already told you how to cut a circular palazzo in 3 meters. If you want to see that video too, then you can see it. So, there will be a joint on the side, but it will be a very heavy gear. The only difference in this is that there will be a joint on the side and the joint that comes below will not come in it. So let me show you once by laying it out properly. I have laid out the fabric properly. Now we will tell you how to take its measurement. See this? Like from this side, we have to take its breadth according to the hip. How much breadth do we have to keep in it? Our hip was 45, so we will divide 45 by 4th part. So after dividing by 4th part, it becomes 11 s1/4, that is, we will do 11 plus 1s. Our s1/1 becomes its 4th part, and in this we will do 2.5 inches extra. You can take 2 inches extra also. But in 2.5 inches it will be that if you need more loosening then you can take 2.5 inches. This formula is absolutely good for any size. That is, no matter how big is someone's hip, we will take 2.5 inches extra in it, so it will come out perfect. So we are starting from here, this is theirs. Below its fabric is less from here. So our 11 plus becomes this. I will show it by marking here. Like this is done. After that we will take 2.5 inches extra. We have taken its width till here from the top, where we will insert the elastic. After that I will draw a straight line once. You often ask this in the comments that if we have to insert elastic in the circular, then I am telling you the method of that. If we have to insert elastic along with it, then how will we do it? So in this we will take 2 inches extra for the elastic on top. Here also I have drawn a straight line once. After that we will take the length. So whatever length we had to keep ready, ours was 37, but it is getting a little less, which will suffice for us. We have to do picot below. If you also want to do picot below, then we will take the same length as we have prepared. But if we do not do picot, then we will have to take 1.5 inches extra for folding. So till here our length is getting ready. So here, like we will measure the hole once. How much is ours? This is about 14 inches for us. So on the opposite side also we will mark at 14 inches here. I have marked another mark at 14 inches. After this we will join this mark with that mark properly. We have to join it all once in this way and cut it from here. We have cut it from the center. Now what do we have to do? We have to keep this part on top of it. Like from here we will keep it on top like this. We have to set it properly once in a completely equal way. The girth of this fabric, i.e. the breadth of its fabric, was a bit too open. That is why our girth has come out more. But its length was only 2 meters. That is why we had to cut it in this way. Now we will set its length properly again. We have set the fabric properly once. The mark we had made is our unfinished cloth here, so we will cut it from here. Now we will check its length once again. For example, we measured its length, see this from here. For example, when we check its length is 38 inches. So, we have to mark everywhere at 38 inches. For example, from here we will mark the entire round, which is in front of us. It will come till here, but later we will have to take a round shape. For example, we marked it at 38 inches from here, and from here also we will mark in the same way. So now we will cut it round from here. We have cut it from here. This is our waist fabric. Now we will do asan cutting from this. Our cut has been made till here. Now we will cut asan from this. So how do we cut asan? we will follow the same method. That is, whatever our hip was, we will take 1/4 of it, 2.5 inches extra in it. If your measurement is a little normal or less, then you can also take 2 inches extra in it. But if you are a little healthy, then according to that we have to take 2.5 inches extra. It will be easier for you from here. You can measure from here as well. Like ours was 13.5 inches from here. So we will mark here at 13.5 inches. We have to start this mark from here because this part of ours will be folded. So from here we will mark this at 13.5 inches. After marking at 13.5 inches, we have to take 2.5 inches inwards. We will take 2.5 inches inwards and we will join this line here like this. We have to join this line here. And after that we will give a slight round shape. Something like this, and we will cut it from here. Our cutting is complete. We have done the cutting easily from here. This is our part to be folded. Here we have to make cuts one by one. We will fold it together and put elastic in the hole round. You have asked for this video many times that how to put elastic in the hole. So this fabric is cut in 2 meters and the elastic strip to be put along with it will be ready only in the side where the joint will come. Otherwise we have to put a separate belt. We have to do picot below. Now I will tell you how to do the stitching. First of all we have to do this stitching, this one and this one. So after doing this stitching, we have to open the asin in this way and keep one asin on top of it and join the lower one with the lower one. So we have to do the joint in this way once. After that we will do the guitar stitching. And after doing this, when our joint is complete, our fold will be in a complete round. So we will fold this too. This very heavy palazzo of ours will be ready and it will look very beautiful. This is its look after cutting. I will also show you its final look, how it will look after stitching. It will be very heavy. See, we have done the stitching from the side. And this is the asin. We have stitched this also, both front and back. And this is the part on this side. We had stitched this also from here. We have to do picot below. After picoting below, we have to do picot on the entire girth. After that we will do this guidry stitch. You can do this stitch first or do picot later. After that we have to fold our fabric with elastic. See, we have completed it completely from below. From here only picot is left to be done on it and I have completed it from the top also. Elastic has been inserted in it. While inserting elastic, you have to keep in mind that many times what happens in this is that our fabric is stretchable. So if our fabric is stretchable, then we have to do stitching on all the 4 parts. First, we have to do stitching once on all the 4 joints from here to here. After that we will fold it and do stitching on it. If by chance a slight crease is coming, then you should put it in because when we put elastic then creases are formed in it too. So there is no problem. If you think that yours is not coming equal, then you do not have to take any tension in this. Now our complete is ready, friends. If you liked its cutting and my way of explaining even a little bit, then please like and share it. And if you are new on the channel, then please subscribe to the channel.